Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a hair transformation video. I'm gonna be coloring my hair at home with this brand called Paradyes. It's a semi-permanent dye. It lasts about 5 to 8 washes. So I am excited to use this. I'm doing this for the first time. Like, I'm using Paradyes for the first time. I've colored my hair previously at home, but I've used brands like Garnier or L'Oreal. The Garnier one was okay-ish, wasn't that great, but L'Oreal one was really good. That gave me really beautiful caramel highlights. So I'm kind of used to coloring my own hair at home, but I've never bleached my own hair. And for like the look I'm going for, which is this ruby wine, and I want to go like a proper redhead look, I need to like bleach my hair. So I've bought the pre-bleach lighten up kit, and my hair situation presently is like I already have like some crown highlights over here, and I have like a very faded red in the ends, and my hairstyle is like I had gotten layers like 2 months back. So I don't know how it's going to look, but I have like hair till like mid length, and my hair is really thin, so I don't know how it's going to look, but I am experimenting. So we'll see if this is a yay or a nay. But yeah, y'all are going to be there throughout the process. So yeah, let's hope for the best. So basically I've turned into a clown. I don't have those clips, like I only had this one clip, and I have a lot of scrunchies. So I used scrunchies to part my hairs in 8 different parts. Like there are 4 here, 1 is above here, 3, there are 4 here, and I'm gonna like untie each one of them and like put the bleach on with the foil paper and just roll it up. That's my strategy. I'm just hoping I don't look like a clown at the end of the result. So yeah, still, let's hope for the best. Also, I'm gonna be opening this up, so I'll let you know, looking like this, what this contains of. It has like one bonder, one developer, a brush, and a manual which is inside this. This is the brush. This is the developer cream. This is the bonder powder, and lastly there's the manual, as I said. So let's read the manual first so we don't screw this up. Oh, this is such a cool poster. I can like stick it on my wall. Get a complete hair makeover at home with Paradyes. Okay, step 1 is prepping for bleach. Wash and dry your hair thoroughly. Choose a well-ventilated area to bleach. Keep a mirror, towel, water, aluminum foil, and some cotton balls handy. So it says here that prepping for wash and dry your hair thoroughly. My hair was like washed around 2 days back, so I don't know if I'm too lazy to wash it again. So I'm just gonna like go with my kinda greasy hair. But let's see. I'm gonna bring a bowl and mix my bleaching ingredients together, and let's hope for the best. So I found this huge glass pot, and I'm gonna be using that. So let's start mixing. So I'm gonna show you, it looks like this now. It's a little bit like consistency which is like creamy. I hated the fact that when I was opening up the powder, it kind of like inhaled some of it up, and those chemicals were very blah. I hated that smell. But this does not smell that bad as compared to other bleaches, so it's fine, I think. So we're gonna start off with this section. I'm just gonna like comb it up a bit. Yeah, so like start with this section now. I can see my hair is like colored till here, so we're gonna like try to cover it till there. I'm also gonna use a foil paper just in case, because I'm doing all of my hair on my own and I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do that, but we're gonna experiment anyhow. Ooh, I need to wear gloves. How could I forget gloves? Have they not sent gloves? They have sent gloves. This is a tiny set of gloves they sent. Gloves are done. And now we're gonna be using this. So I'm gonna be looking at the mirror down and applying it. So don't mind me looking down. Definitely is more difficult than I anticipated. Okay, these 2 strands are done now. So the bleaching is done. I'm just gonna keep it for 20 minutes because it took me a long time to apply it. So I think till then this was also getting lighter. I can see this shade getting lighter a lot already. So I don't wanna like keep it for a longer time now. I'm just gonna keep it for a while now and then I'm done. So yeah, be back. Okay, so it's been like around 30 minutes and I can see my hair from here and here. It's turned coffee goldenish. Like even here, it's become kind of like closer to platinum blonde. So I'm gonna wash it and then apply the red color. Hi, I'm back and this is how the hair turned out. It's really blonde and there are some orangish tone as well. But we're gonna solve it with Paradyes. Oh my god, wow, this smells amazing. I don't know how they're doing that, but it smells really fucking amazing. I have a good feeling about this now. So this is how the color looks like after I've put it on. I like it the way it is right now. Like I thought it would be less, but I think it's the perfect amount. There's a little bit of black left here and there and I think I like it. I like the black above as well. I love the way it looks. What do you all think? Let me know. Do you all like this? It's still like kind of drying, so I mean, looks amazing. Plus, my hair smells like heaven. It is heavenly. I can't tell you this. Sorry, my tripod's coming in between. This hair dye has the most pleasant, amazing fragrance. I wish they had the similar kind of fragrance thingy in a shampoo or something, and if they do and I don't know about it, I'm gonna buy it and try it out. But this made my hair smell like heaven and it also looks amazing and I like it. So yeah, that's about that. This has made my braid so thick than it usually is and my hair looks so fuller and thicker. I love it. I love my braid right now. Never felt so happier with my hair. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I hope you like my hair color. Let me know in the comments down below if you want any more such kind of videos or if you have any questions regarding hair dyeing at home. I'll answer them for you. And yeah, thanks for watching my video. Bye.